YouTube, and today I want to show you this furnace chest hopper thing I made. Basically, it's a chest on top of a hopper on top of a furnace. So in the chest, you put stuff into other chests, for example, raw something chicken. If you put it in here, it will start going. It's not working. Yeah, it's working. Oh, because it's a trap chest and it's powering the hoppers. Sorry. Basically, it will go down through the hopper into the furnace, get cooked, and arrive over here in this area. Inside the furnace, it goes down through the hopper. Like, this is inside the chest. It goes through the hopper into here, which divides it into two furnaces, which then leads it over there. It's a really simple setup, and this furnace will turn off when this all runs out, so that basically means that it's out of coal, but I really doubt that will happen anytime soon, because just look at that amount, and those are blocks of coal. So yeah, I basically wanted to show you. I got inspired by Seth Bling's Mega Block series. I really want him to continue making them. So yeah, I built this in creative for some reason. Yeah, that's all for this time. Thanks for watching.